Wouldn't you love to watch the sunrise like this too? You can with the 202RD. Talk about couples camping and couples reconnecting. The camper that I'm in right now is great for that couple that, maybe your adventures have included a tent or a pop-up and you're ready to upgrade, but you're not ready to take that full dive and pay for something that's going to break the bank. Welcome to the Keystone Springdale, the 2021 202RD. This rear downing travel trailer, roughly 25 feet long, dry weight's about 4,600 pounds, but is packed with amenities that are standard on the Springdales that a lot of other lines consider as options. Plus, you got that Keystone manufacturing, color-coded wiring for easy hookup. You got the Wi-Fi 4G LTE prep with the wiring guard. You got a little separate antenna for that. Residential flooring, tough lock joints. I mean, this is for that couple that says we're ready to experience America the safest way possible, the best way possible. Look at the dining space that we have right here. Now, this reduces down, can easily sleep 2 adults in this U-shaped dinette, but a slideless camper dominated in the rear by a dining area. This is your reconnection space. We got these huge panoramic windows with the wood valances. Imagine backing this up to the beach, to the mountains, to the lake, and wherever you go, whether it's sunrise or sunset, sipping your coffee or reconnecting with a loved one, watching outside and seeing nature the way it should be seen with these windows. You can't beat it, man. You really can't. I got storage underneath this area as well. Plus I got power ports and my table right here, which if you notice underneath, this actually reduces down and becomes the support for the dinette to turn it into the bed, but it's mobile. You can move it around and you can take it outside if you want to. It's pretty lightweight. But I mean, look, you see that little knob right there? Release that, that's the lock. These fold in and bada bing, bada boom, you're good to go. But take it outside if you want to. I like how they made that an option because with a lot of campers, the table is hard mounted in, or it's a dream dinette where you can just move the table up and down. But having this, take it outside, don't have to worry about getting an outside table. Love it. Solid wood construction all the way around. You're gonna see this with every Keystone Springdale. Love the decor too. This is the Ozark decor, so you get a good mix of the light on the dark. Pantry space or storage space. With small campers like this, you can set them up as fishing cabins or hunting cabins or that ladies' weekend getaway. I mean, think about it. You can fit 6 people in that dinette to entertain. Some of them gotta go home though, because you only got a master bed and you got that, but with no slide, look, I am not cramped. Robert can even get by me over here if he wants to, and I don't even have to turn. Look at that. Hi, how are you? They know what they're doing, man. For 25 feet long, dry weight of roughly 4,600 pounds, you can't beat this. Got the 12-volt Everchill fridge freezer combo, more than 7 cubic foot of space in here too. What does that mean? If you're gonna set this up and do some boondocking or some dry docking, this runs off of 12 volts. So you don't have to worry about, the LP, filling up a gas line to get your fridge going. And it's vibration smart. So, the shaking and everything won't really affect it. Circuit breaker panel down there. Entertainment space over here. Got my TV backer, my dual USB charging ports, my cable connections, power ports. Got my audio connections coming up through here for my Jensen control panel. This is dual zone too. So it's got the CD, the DVD, the AM, FM, and the Bluetooth, but this is made for campers. Jensen did a really good job with their sound systems. And I like how Keystone added them in. It's a nice upgrade. Good storage space down there, or grab and go spot. Maybe you got the tackle boxes, the boots, whatever. Bam. Seamless countertops here. Flush mounted 3-burner cooktop. Great for the couple or the small family that just wants to get out and about and enjoy camping. Grill style grate right there. Got my LED accents on the controls. And you even have an oven. So in an entry-level rear dining travel trailer, I have a cooktop, an oven, and a microwave. Amenities that you won't find in a lot of light campers. I got solid shaker style cabinets here, solid wood construction. You'll see that all the way around. Large window here on the campsite so I can check out what's going on out there. Flush mounted farmhouse style sink, undermounted, that is. More storage here. And solid wood construction, ball bearings, full extension on the drives here, giving you plenty of room, just space. I mean, you know, for a couple or for a small family, this is great. It's entry level. I got 82 inches in the ceiling. I got a 13.5 BTU air conditioner. Got GE over here on the controls. This is another addition that they made this year. This is a nice upgrade. Having the GE furnace, a very nice upgrade. And with the ducts that we have here in the floor, in between the ducts are these tough lock joints. They're solid joints that join the ducts together, which means A, you won't have soft spots in the floor, but B, a lot of times that ductwork is just, you know, the fiberglass, the plastic, you know, it's the round stuff that just crushes really easy. Since those tough lock joints are in there, you won't have that, and the air is distributed evenly and more efficiently. Solid wood door going into the bathroom. I got myself a big old bowl, plastic with the foot flush, but I'm not cramped. Now, once again, no slide in this camper. So if I shut the door, sure, I'm gonna be a little cramped then. Just letting you know. But being over 6'2", over 200 pounds, you know, I'm not uncomfortable. Good space. Good countertop space here as well. Single basin sink there, power port. I got the mirrored medicine cabinet. Kind of, I like to call it grandma's house because my grandma had one of these in her bathroom. It's just a big solid mirror. But there's no raised lip here. So just watch out for that. I like to have the raised lips on my medicine cabinets because when you're in transit, you open up this thing and everything starts falling out. So having that raised lip to me is extremely important. Single surround on the shower, but the skylight gives me plenty of headroom. I'm not going to be cramped left or right or up or down. Don't even need the lights because we got a vent fan and the skylight. I mean, could you tell? The light's off. You can't really tell. Plenty of natural light. Plus, I got my shower here, my nozzle. So if I want to clean myself off, or, you know, we got the kids or the dogs, good spot to clean them off here. Got a little bit of a lip on the tub. And underneath, we got, well, it's a little tough to get into though, isn't it? But once again, trying to maximize the space. Sure, it's a little awkward, but there's no slide on this camper. So the little things, if you're like, oh, nope, I have to have complete full door access under my sink, then I'm sorry, this isn't the camper for you. Curtain for privacy. Once again, great couples camper. You know, if you know you're going to be meeting some friends or you just need a cabin, a place to sit, and you're not going to have people living in it with you, this doesn't really matter. You know, it opens up the space, but it does give you the privacy if you need it, especially if you're out camping with the kids. Queen size bed. I got the carpeted nightstands on both sides, power ports. Plus, one of the cool little features, check it out. If you got the dirty laundry, you got a little laundry chute right there. Pop the basket in the pass-through storage, boom, there you go. Got my suspension nets on both sides if I want to put my cell phones. Got 2 levels of shelving up here. You know, and having these 82-inch high ceilings that are arched really kind of gives us the option to have that space. Mirrored wards on both sides. Windows to get the cross breeze on both sides. And I have me some storage underneath right there. TV backer is also right here as well. I'm just not a fan of the TV backer being here. I'd like to have it here, which, I mean, I'm sure, because you can do whatever you want to your RV. You could go inside and put some paneling in there and make it sturdy enough to hold the TV. But for me, it's just looking across to watch a TV. I'm just not a big fan. But hey, you're out camping, you really don't need it. Power and cable connections right there. So, solid construction, great space, even for a camper that has no slide. You're not going to be cramped, especially if you're that camp couple that's looking to get out and about and just enjoy America. Big fan of these. We've seen the inside, the all-new 2021 Keystone Springdale 202RD. Let's go take a look at the outside. Okay, so here we are on the outside of the all-new 2021 Keystone Springdale SG202RD. Right up front, some amenities that are standard, that are options on other lines. For example, powered tongue jack, gotta have it. For me, setting up and you know, hitching up just makes life so much easier. Twin 20-pound LP tanks. I got the mini diamond-plated rock guard here. Got the fiberglass roofing going all the way over the top. Come over here to the campsite. You got the anti-slam doors, my plastic hinge, the finished off pass-through storage right here, which also has the lights. And if we take a look underneath, you'll see powered leveling jacks as well. Once again, a great feature to have when you're setting up. And for entry level to have that, dude, it's awesome. Heated and enclosed underbelly too. So that forced air helps keep the tanks warm. So you're driving through cold weather, they won't freeze on you. Sealed safety glass, it's tinted all the way around. Got myself a 12-foot awning with the LED light. And you'll notice the LED lights also come through on the external speakers, which are all weather. Just gives you a good chance to split the sound up. Run that out, set the table up from inside, have yourself a little cookout. Love it. Solid steps going into the entry point, plus an extra large grab handle here that doubles as a door guard. And if you notice, the first step is bigger. That's for safety. That's an addition that Lippert did here for these, which not only pet friendly, but having the larger step there just makes life easier coming in and out, because that first step is always a doozy. Got the nitro filled tires, 15-inch aluminum rims, the Dexter Easy Lube axles, extra wide berth here to give me some sway when I'm rocking back and forth. You won't have it as much when you're going down the road. It's going to be more stable. That's what that extra wide berth does for you. Got the TV mount, cable connection, plus my power port there. So if I want to set up the outside entertainment, me and the wife, we want to use this for going out and hitting the beach. Man, we just had a great time fishing, caught a lot of stuff. Chris, what about grilling? Okay. If you got your grill, got your LP quick connect right there. Plug right in, you can pull the LP off of the tanks in the front, plus that's your rear leveling jack. And I also like how Keystone did the color scheme this year. It's lighter, they added more white into the aluminum, you know, just making it look good going down the road and when it's set up. Plus they redid the logo. Looks a lot more modern. Not that anything was wrong with the other one, just something I'm noticing here when taking a look at the new 2021s. We're set up for backup camera prep. Got the arch ceilings with the 3-inch rubber nozzles, keeping the rain and snow off of this bad boy. Spare tire, 4x4 sewer hose storage. Come around, you got another little good grab and go spot right there. That's for like if you got the wet gear or the backpacks or whatever, good spot to store it there. Cable connection is right here. 30-amp plug, which retracts into the camper. That's a nice feature because you're not chasing the plug. You don't have to worry about, you know, hooking it up. You just grab it and then it retracts it back in when you're done. Main terminations over here. You'll see I got my black tank, my gray tank, sewer outlet connection, black tank flush. Once again, another feature that's standard on a lot of campers that comes as an option. External shower with hot and cold as well. And over here are my freshwater connection and my city water connection. The other side of my pass-through storage. And probably the most important part of any camper is going to be the info panel. This is where you come to see, okay, how much does this camper weigh? For example, unloaded vehicle weight on this one, 4,600 pounds. Gross vehicle weight, 6,500 pounds. That's where you ask your specialist at Camping World or at Gander, what does that mean? Because here's what my vehicle can tow. Is this what's right for me? But at that level, at that weight, 25 feet long, dry weight of 4,600 pounds, half ton could tow this. I mean, maybe even some heavy SUVs. Let the specialists walk you through that. They're the ones that are going to help you find the camper that's right for you. Also talk to them about the insulations. What does that mean? What does the 2-inch foam core have to do with the R ratings? What is the difference between 11, 17, 7, and 41? How does that impact me? That all depends on where you're going to go camping. So let the specialists guide you through that process because that's what they're there for. And they do a great job at it too. But do me a favor, leave me some comments down below and let me know what you think of this all new 2021 Keystone Springdale 202RD, because I love hearing from you. I love getting the comments and the feedback. And while you're at it, please click like, subscribe, and notify so the next time we do a video, you're the first one to get it. I'm Chris Young for Camping World and Gander RV and Outdoors. Thank you so much for spending time with me today. I appreciate it. Thank you for taking a look at this one. If you're a couple that wants to get out and about, I recommend you check this one out. Come check out a camper. They're fun. I'll see you soon.